Hey there, it's Amy. Let's design a farmhouse fields porch pot today. This one's going to be fun and airy, lots of foliage. I'm using a foamed up pot that's about 12 to 14 inches in diameter. This would work in your dirt filled pot up to 16 inches in diameter. And if your pot is larger or if you want a very full look, you can buy 2 kits and double them up. So we're going to start with the height of the piece. The cosmos is one of the features. We love the cosmos. It has the yellow center. So that one is going all the way to the back of the pot in the center. And we're going to work from the tallest things down to the front and the shortest things. Next, my lace piece here will go left and right. I think that is actually called Yarrow, although it looks to me like Queen Anne's lace. And that'll go left and right, providing more yellow to balance around the cosmos. Then we're going to put some of that farmhouse eucalyptus. Love this gray-green color. That will really keep it looking modern for you. We're going to give that a little bit of a tilt so it sort of flares out a little bit. It never hurts to bend your stems around and get a more realistic look if you make sure they don't come out stick straight out of the box. Now let's add some foliages. So we're going to do a really pretty gray-green ivy on the right, lots of trailers. This is going to really spill out nicely out of your small pot or fill in a wider pot. Around the front, we're going to add in this really cool little watermelon plant here. Make sure you shape them up, bend things, and separate them for maximum fullness. This has that nice slick UV coating on it. A little bit of it can trail out the front. See how much fuller it looks if you just bend and shape it open. So we're front and center with the watermelon bush. Then on the left side, we're going to dose up the green a bit with this geranium leaf. A nice white edge to keep that farmhouse white feel. That's going to trail out the left side and make it look really full as well. Then let's go in with a focal point flower at the front center, this nice little waxflower bush. Make sure you pull that apart, give it some fullness, and it can even flare over the front of your pot a bit. And in this gap in the middle, we want to put our feature flower, another cosmos. Some of these stems I have cut about 4 inches off of, which would include both of these cosmos because they come with really long stem length. So if you were doubling your kit, you could actually get more height by having 2 of each of these up taller if you wanted to, because they come with very long stems. All right, and then lastly, on the left and right, we need to put this little flower that flares out beautifully and has that coordinating yellow at the center. And that's just gonna lightly fan out to add some fullness to the left and the right side. There we go. A nice and airy, full of foliage farmhouse fields porch pot.